Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 27th of February, 2025. In today's top renewable energy news, Scottish company Subsea Micropiles has secured a £9.2 million investment in a move that is expected to create and support 100 jobs. Subsea Micropiles' marine anchor system is designed for industrialization, allowing large offshore construction projects to be completed at lower cost and with a reduced environmental impact. The funding for Subsea Micropiles has been led by the Scottish National Investment Bank, which has committed £6.7 million. The bank is joined by Marubeni-Itochu Steel, which is co-investing £2.5 million. In Texas, State Senator Kevin Spark has filed SB 714, which would require the Public Utility Commission of Texas and ERCOT to adjust rates by adopting rules, operating procedures, and protocols to create an offset to the production tax credit subsidies wind energy companies receive that operate in an ERCOT power region. It also ensures that the price of producing and maintaining capacity are assumed by the parties imposing the costs and not taxpayers. South Korea's National Assembly has approved a special act on offshore wind, versions of which have been under debate in the country for the last 7 years, offering the energy-starved nation a path to accelerating its planned build out of renewable energy. The special act, also known as the One-Stop Shop Bill, proposes a government-led site development system as a radical departure from the open-door developer-led model that kickstarted Korea's offshore wind sector. South Korea had already introduced a system of competitive bidding for fixed-price contracts in 2022, with 3.4 gigawatts selected since then. But overall progress has been slower than sought. Wind overtook gas as the biggest source of the UK's electricity for the first time ever last year. Analysis by the Department for Energy, Security and Net Zero in the United Kingdom showed onshore and offshore wind turbines provided a record 34.4% of the country's power needs in 2024. That took it just above gas-fired power stations at 33.8%. Taiwan's renewable energy ambitions are facing mounting hurdles as regulatory and logistical challenges slow the rollout of solar photovoltaic and offshore wind projects. Taiwan added approximately 2.7 gigawatts of renewable energy installed capacity in 2024. That is 1 gigawatt short of the 3.824 gigawatts of capacity added in 2023. This puts Taiwan at just over 11% renewable generation, which is far below their target of 20% by the end of 2025. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.